We've talked about length, or LEN. This is super valuable. LEN, when you apply it to a string, will tell you how many characters are in a string. When you apply it to a list, it will tell you how many items are in the list. Okay, so for example, li text equals str text dot split. We're going to split that again, and we have two variables. Now print, and we have len str text. Okay, so that'll tell us how many characters there are. And if I do it with the list, it'll tell me how many words there are. So when I run that, it'll tell me that this text has 44 characters and it has 7 words. Now I can do a simple math problem, right? 44 divided by 7 to tell me the average length of each word in characters. Why does word length matter? Well, it's one of the measures we use in writing analysis. Is how intelligent, what grade level is somebody writing at? We use word length, or average word length, to see what kind of words somebody's using. Because when you write something in first grade, it's see Jane run, see Spot run, right? 4 letters, 3 letters. And when you write something at a Ph.D. level, you're writing words like supercalifragilistic and things like that, right? So you're writing really long words, or $10 words, and when you're a youngster, you're writing 50-cent words, typically. That's just one of the measures. That's not the only measure, but it is a useful measure of text analysis, if that's what we're trying to get out of the text. What you're going to see as we get into text analysis is that Python has all these tools and functions, right, that help you manipulate text. Python doesn't understand text any more than ChatGPT does, any more than any other computer understands text. But if you know what meaning you're trying to derive from the text, or what information you're trying to get from that data, you will learn to use those tools in different combinations to extract and discover the meaning that you're looking for. So length is a good function in that